Hey everybody, this is Melissa. Welcome to my channel. So today I'm in PowerPoint and I'm going to show you how to create and use a QR code. Now these come in handy if you've done a PowerPoint presentation and you want your audience to either fill out a survey or visit your website or visit some other website. And instead of putting the URL, the https:// on the screen, you can create a QR code which will allow them to zap it from their phone and be redirected to wherever you want them to go. So how we do that is I'm going to go to Insert, and I don't have the add-in right now that creates the QR code, so I'm going to go ahead and show you how we get that installed. So we're going to go to Get Add-ins, and it's going to take us to the store. Now keep in mind, just because this says store doesn't mean that you have to pay for these, especially with the QR generator. It's free. So we're going to go to Search QR, hit Enter, and this first one is the one that we want, QR for Office. So we're going to hit Add and Continue, and then once it's installed, this will pop up here. So I'm going to add my website just to show you how this works when it creates the QR code. So my website is https, and I'm just going to put in mlcompton.com. And as you can see, you can make it bigger here. You can make it smaller. You can change the color if you want it to be a different color QR code. So I've picked 125 by 125 pixels. And keep in mind, once we get it over into the PowerPoint presentation, we can change it there as well if we need to. So I'm going to click Insert, and it's going to place it pretty much in the middle of the PowerPoint presentation. So we can drag it where we want it to go. We can make it bigger, we can make it smaller. So I'm just going to put it in the center and a little bit down. And now when your PowerPoint presentation is up on the screen and you're on that last page, from anywhere in the room, people can open their phones, open their cameras, and it will grab what's in that QR code and ask them if they want to be redirected to the website either via Chrome, Safari, or whatever web app they have on their phone. Now this can be used in any Office product out there, Word, Excel, of course PowerPoint. It can be used in Outlook, and not only can you copy and paste these into other applications, you can also create them within other applications. So if I were to go into Word, in my add-ins drop down, this would be in my recently used because I've used it before, so I can create it in Word, create it in Excel, and then share it across different Office products. And that is how you create and use a QR code in PowerPoint. If you found this video helpful, please be sure to like it, subscribe to my channel, and get notified. I'll be back tomorrow with another tutorial. Thanks so much for watching.